All right, so what's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here. In this video, we're going to be doing a review of the one-page funnel 3.0, and we're going to see if the one-page funnel 3.0 really worth your money and your time for investing in this little system. Now, I ran across this little system, from a couple of friends on Facebook who swear by it, show a little proof that it worked, and so I decided to test it out for myself. And so what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to give you a walkthrough of the actual back office. I'm going to show you a little proof that it does work, not only, from me, but you're going to see where other people are having success as well. I'm going to take you into my customer center dashboard or my affiliate dashboard to show you that it works. And this may be something that you want to do if you want a little seed money for some traffic or something like that, or just a little extra income where you don't have to talk to anybody, create videos or whatever the case may be. Just something you can tap into that you can start running traffic to and let the system do all of the selling and telling for you. So we're now inside of the back office of the one-page funnel 3.0. You're going to have the system overview. You're going to have step 1, connect system affiliate ID. Step 2, connect AdSense network. Step 3, grab the funnel link. Step 4, you're going to run traffic. It's pretty much laid out simple, and everything you need to do, you just follow the process. So we're going to watch this video of the system overview. You can read the details, of what the one-page funnel is all about and what you need to be doing. Okay. Then it come down here, you're going to have an option to upgrade to the profit booster. Now let's go ahead and look at the profit booster, because on the profit booster, you can earn up to, you come in for the $7 one time, you earn up to 50% commissions on low ticket product, 30% on high ticket sale. Okay. However, by upgrading your account to profit booster for one time fee of $47, you unlock a remarkable 70% commission on all sales ranging from low ticket to high ticket, plus enjoy an additional 10% two-tier commission for a lifetime. So that's what that is all about, the profit booster. Okay, earn 70% commissions, on low ticket and high ticket products, 10% two-tier commission, and earn this commissions on any product we sell to your leads fully automatically for a lifetime. So what they're doing, they're actually following up for you. They're actually going to have your leads on a list, but you get access to those leads as well. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you the funnels that they give you access to inside here, but you can also use your own outside funnel builder, okay, to lead to the VSL if you want to do it like that. So let's go back. Okay, you're going to connect to the affiliate system. We're going to click on that. You're going to watch this video, how to get everything set up. Join the affiliate program. Once again, you upgrade the profit booster and activate the done for you traffic. Okay, that's what you can do in this process right here. If we look at the activate the done for you traffic, that's going to be something what you can do right here. You can get traffic that's automatically done for you, where you don't even have to worry about getting traffic done. You just simply go in there and get it, and you're well on your way. I didn't get the done for you traffic because I'm running my own traffic, but that's another option that you have. If you don't even want to run traffic to it, you just let them do what they're going to do for you. You're going to put in your affiliate ID right here. Once you join the affiliate program, click the add now button. Okay, the AdSense network. What this network is, this is CPA network. And what happens is, if people purchase from the CPA network as well, you earn commission on those products as well. So you would put the CPA network affiliate ID here, and you're going to earn, like I said, you're going to earn there as well. And then you're going to grab your funnel links. This is just going to tell you how to access the funnel. We're going to go over there in a minute. And then your step number 5, you're going to run traffic. So it's a real simple little system, okay, that you can get access to. You can join Leads Empower, get S&T traffic, access paid ads training, access free ads training. So watch these videos. Okay, so we come over to special offers. You have a special offer over here to get Alpha 9 engine, some kind of phone hack. I don't have that, but if you want it, that's totally up to you. Then we look at the funnels. You have all of these funnels right here. You have 4 funnels in all. They recommend that this number 1 and number 4 be used for solo ad, but you can test out either one, either one that you want to do. They also have VSL over here. This is the VSL that you're going to come to. So if I just open up, preview this capture page here, which says that right there, okay, then when someone opts in, it's going to come to your page right here that explains how the system works and everything. When someone purchases, you make a commission off of that. Okay, so that's the capture pages. The only thing you have to do is copy your link, okay, and you're good to go. Or you can come up here and you can set up tracking, for wherever you're promoting this at. If it's on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, you can set up your own tracking links for that as well. Okay, you can do it for each one of these. You're going to be able to see your referrals here. I'm not going to click on that because I don't want to show my referral, but I do have referrals in here. You have traffic solutions, okay, lead empower and traffic zest. I use both of these networks, so you can choose whichever one you want to choose, or you can get it done for you traffic through the system. You're going to have training, okay, paid ads training, and access to free ads training. So if I click on that, you're going to have the training here. We come over here, we click on this one, you're going to have training here. Okay, so for traffic exchanges and safe lists, bonus income streams, you got scale up. I did join this today. I kind of like the little system. It's a neat little system that lets you advertise your business. And if you want to do Got Backup, you can do that as well. I'm not a member of Got Backup yet. I may join that at a later date. I see quite a few people, have them in little systems like this. So it must be something to it. Then you're able to see the leaderboards. You have access to a Chat GPT-4 here, where you can, get some advertising, marketing stuff done for you. You put in the right prompt. You got your settings, integrations. If you want to set up GetResponse, Aweber, or whatever one of these autoresponders that you're using here, Google Sheets, System.io, you can do that in here as well. With the system, you're going to get your API key so you can collect your leads yourself. And then you have the affiliate manager. Here's where you're going to put, all of your affiliate IDs in here. So everything is coded to you. And then back to the getting started. Now we've looked at the upsells pages. Okay, so to show you a little proof that this worked, here's some emails that I got today. This was like 8 hours ago, 8 hours ago, 6 hours ago, 6 hours ago. Okay, so 4 sales just today alone that came in through this email here. Okay, so if I go into my back office, you'll see $116 in commissions, $14 conversions and things like that, $93 in commissions. You see all the little, arrows up in graphs here or whatever. You can see that. So it does work. If I come over here and look at my commissions, you'll see the commissions here: 23, 350, 23, 350. 23. Okay, so since March the 4th, right here is what I have earned using this little system. So it does work. Now I want to show you that some other people, okay, as well. If you come over here to the affiliate group, the affiliate profit club group, which you're going to have access to, this is where you're going to come here and find a lot of people that, 2,500 members in here. Okay, you're going to see people, $1,000, how to set up the system for people who, have a little trouble with it. Things like this. Gina posting, the new setup is sweet. Some sales here. Some things here. This is just exciting news, letting you know this new system is ready. 1,200. $4 commission. So people are making commission with this little system, and they're just simply following the steps that are laid out inside of the system, and it's just that simple. So if you're ready to get started and get access to your one-page funnel 3.0, you can click the link in the description to get started, and just let the system do the work for you. Like I said, this can be a little something that you're just doing on the side. Nothing real. You can make some good money with it, or a decent amount of money with it, but this is a little seed, something I use to, purchase more traffic and things like that. So I hope you got a little value out of this video. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Look forward to working with you. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.